Hello dear friends, and welcome to Monday. One of the miracles about the watercolor, it's creating the picture almost from nothing. It's truly a magical job. It's just a piece of paper, no sketch, nothing. You starting to organize the spots of the colors, and finally you create the picture. It's a real magic, and that's one of the reasons why I'm really like that medium. And that's exactly what we are gonna do today. And maybe you know, maybe not, but it's 100% true. The painting in watercolor, it's just a painting by the negative space. The light, our light, is already here, right on the paper. And all what we're doing all the time, we're trying to organize some colors, different shadows to represent the light, our paper. So that's the magic job. And personally, I don't like the sketches exactly because of that. You have a chance to reorganize your paper in real time without following the shapes what you create before. I'm truly like that job. So today we're going to paint a very simple seascape. It's not a complicated picture, but it's a lot of light here, negative space and only the negative space, and really nice feeling. That's what we will try to do. As usual, I use a Baohong paper, Master Choice, Daniel Smith paints, my brushes, and good music. Let's go to the painting in the negative space. Let's try to make it. was just a simple exercise, and thank you for your time and thank you for following me for all that many years. I really appreciate it. Your support is extremely important for me. I hope you enjoyed that video and you can practice with that exercise for sure if you want. Stay healthy and see you next Monday. Bye bye.